Hello everybody, I have got a parcel here that I was very excited to receive and open, but then I thought I would open it with you guys. I've got my lovely scissors to hand, and the reason that it's so exciting, or at least the first clue, was the little logo here. You'll see it, red film Ferrania, shipping of course from Italy, which is amazing. So you open it up and here we have our first ever 135 format film from Ferrania, produced in Italy. Now, for those of you who aren't aware of Film Ferrania's journey, it has been an epic journey to say the least. Oh, there we go. Nothing else in there. So that is a lovely box. Oh, reassuring, solid rattle. P30 panchromatic film 80 Acer. So, for those of you who don't know the Film Ferrania story, it's amazing. So, Ferrania as a company, as a brand, existed in various guises since the late 19th century. It was a factory in Italy that started life as a munitions factory, and then I think the 20s shifted to a different type of chemical shooting, moved into cinema film, and then started making consumer format of that cinema film. One of the most famous was P30, which was used to shoot several films, a couple that famously won Oscars. I think it was Two Women with Sophia Loren was one of them in the mid 20th century. And then in the latter part of the century, they were still producing cinema film, producing under their own brand, and then also producing for a lot of other companies. So a really important part of the European film manufacturing world. The factory, the company, and the associated products all died during the digital revolution of the noughties, and I think the factory closed down in 2010. Now, there was a group of crazy people, in the nicest possible sense, people who visited it a few years later and who decided they would restart Film Ferrania pretty much from scratch. I say that, they have the factories, disused, fallen apart, some bits were already being sold, but they decided to use the base that they had and create film again from scratch. There was a Kickstarter a few years ago, and here we are. This is the final result. Now, the result is a film that has been in the wild a little bit, oh, look at it, in different formats. So they've been alpha testing it. So there's been people who've been able to shoot this for a while. Some limited amount went out in the US last month. This is the first box of fresh European wave. So here we go, Film Ferrania P30 Panchro film 80 ISO. Now, what I am told, I haven't shot this yet, this might be the roll that doesn't quite make it onto inventory. I haven't shot this yet, but I'm told it is high silver content, high contrast, very dramatic, great shadow in the details. What it does mean is it means that the exposure latitude is a bit narrower than most black and white films, which means you've got to be a bit more careful about the exposure than you might do with something like an HP5 or a Tri-X. But the result will be a beautiful, beautiful, very strong, dark image. So I've just cut my nails, so this is going to be quite difficult. There we go, we're in. Here we go. P30, Ferrania, made in Italy. No other information, amazing. So it looks like no DX coding, which is not uncommon in fairness in films. 36 exposure, which is brilliant. And then for all technical information, head to their website, which I think is absolutely fair. What we'll do is we'll put on the website, on the product or one of the articles, a little PDF about the best practices for developing and shooting. But other than that, that's it really. Really exciting. I can't thank Dave, who I've been speaking to, and the team enough that we've managed to get this at this time. We have a limited amount, so this box is all we have, minus this one now. This box is all we have. We're going to put it on the site this afternoon. So if you sign up for stock notifications, you'll be the first to hear. Otherwise, head over to the website and pick some up now. Now, it's on there for £8, which I think is very reasonable for a film that they're making from scratch. So it's a new emulsion based on the cinematic P30, but updated for the modern shooter. I'm now going to go and hand this over to Mary, who will find a home for it in our warehouse for the matter of hours that I'm sure it'll exist. If you have any questions, then drop me a message, drop me an email, ring us on the landline. Love to chat Ferrania, especially today, and enjoy.